trying to be way too aggressive. I'm never eating nothing again. I'm a fruit. I'm doing this 60-day water fast. I did this dry fast, and aggressive. Felt great for a couple days. All of a sudden, boom, falling, about to hit the ground. They saw one of our videos, or they're like, well, maybe I check out that Mucusless diet and see what that transition is about. And these are people that used to criticize us for talking about transition. And so, I mean, I don't get joy out of the I tell you so, because I don't want to say that. I hate saying that when it comes to this topic, because I want people to understand this stuff, understand this transition, and save yourself a lot of misery and suffering that's unnecessary. Because if you try out certain things transitionally and your body rejects it, then okay, well, I don't need this right now. My body, no one's telling you to forcing you to eat mucus lean. It's just understanding what's available to you when the stuff hits the fan, and it will. Unfortunately, I don't like to be the bearer of bad news, but I mean, you're going to have some days where these tools will be very, very useful for you. And if you have that all or nothing mentality, then you're going to have a very tough time being successful long term, being comfortable in your body, in your mind. It's unfortunate.